Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about advanced manufacturing process. In that, topic name is incremental sheet metal forming. In that, I will do first draw a diagram of incremental sheet diagram. Okay. Now see here. Now see here. This is wearing force. Okay, this is blank punch. This is raw material or sheet. This is a plate. This is ejector, and this is a guide plate. Figure of incremental melt sheeting forming process. Okay, now see here working. This is a wearing force, blank punch, raw material or sheet. It is a plate, ejector, guide plate. Now see here how it can work or how it works. When the wearing force comes from up direction to downward direction, it comes to the face of the sheet, and which can be collected also a raw material sheet and plate and ejected sheet. Then there is force in opposite direction to the wearing force, so as this material or sheet or raw material get cut by the force from downward direction to upward direction. At that time the ring force is at constant, at a constant position. Okay, understood. And this material get removed that we require for a processing. This is how the incremental sheet metal forming process is carried out. In incremental force or incremental forming is the term applying the classic of process that is related to the conventional metal spinning. Okay, understood this point. Then afterwards we'll shift to next point. Okay, the topic name is fin blink process. blanking process. In that I will draw a diagram for the same. Okay, this is how the diagram figure number A and figure number B as shown in the figure. Now this is a main punch. Okay, this is also a main punch. There is a no clearance. Here also a no clearance. This is a blank stuck. Okay, and this is blank free to fall. Okay, understood? And these two are die. Now we'll see the first working. This is a main punch which applied from up to down to the sheet, and there is a sheet and die as shown in the figure A. By applying the punch from up to down, there will be some material removed. Okay, as shown in the figure B, how thus the material is removed from the sheet, as shown in the figure B. By applying the punch, the material get removed from the sheet. Okay, now I will tell some component that use in this fine blanking: the punch and die material. The hardened high carbon steel is used for to cut the sheet in this shape or in this required shape. Now this shape and size of blank, it depends on geometry of die and punch. Okay, and this remaining material, this remaining material is waste material from this sheet, and the required material we get by a blank. It is useful for doing different processes. Now, application for the same, using automobile industries. Second, aerospace industries. Then third, kitchen appliances. Okay, and fourth, mass production of sheet metal component or components. This is how the explanation of incremental sheet metal forming and fine blanking is carried out. Thank you for watching this video.